Hello everyone, back again with the one and only Dyan'van. If you haven't subscribed, please do the right thing, hit that subscribe button, put on the notification bar. We won't over get videos. It's a different day, a different video, and today we're reacting to one of my favorite local acts, Genchy. If you have no clue who Genchy is, I promise you after today you will go on SoundCloud and find out who Genchy is. So the name of the song is yaseEbhayi. yaseEbhayi. It's just a Dyan from Ebayi. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. Okay, this is on the name of the project is Bad Girls Love Genchy. Check it out on SoundCloud.
That time you test on my judge, changing the test I shine. It's shine, so love how you buy. I found my toy off your buy. My daughter, she halal.
My boy is like, changing the teta is Dyan. It's Dyan salapa eBhayi. Usually when you come from Port Elizabeth, you speak a certain type of isiXhosa. It's kind of a slang comparing it to someone who's born and bred in Mthatha. So I feel like that's what he's saying. Mandita is Dyan. It's slang. Salapa eBhayi. Dog. Mapi amaxhego apha eBhayi. Ngweventure. That's all we have, eh? Ngweventure, dog. Ngweventure. That's all we have.
So cool on the case, ya bani. Funny chat, I'm more money. Lang on my toys to judge. Judge. I didn't want to deliver this. Showed her my mama, she didn't piss. Yes, of course, I made him switch. Me and my boys, just talking shit. Sheesh. I wish I know Coco Yandas. They sit down for my cars.
Ungabuza no Coco Yandas. If you're from Ebayi, you know exactly ukuphi kwenzeka ntoni kwaCoke. It's like an elite tavern. Fuck. Why did I just like throw in like some praise in there? But yeah. Let's take it back. Let's take it back a bit.
I didn't want to deliver this. Showed her my mama, she didn't piss. Yes, of course, I made him switch. Me and my boys, just talking shit. Sheesh. I wish I know Coco Yandas. They sit down for my cars. Talking, I'm going to your blast. You know, she from going down my shit blow. Call on my shit, I might two Yandas. Fully chatting, that's really no fire. I swear that my people, they stack on my way. Stack for they static, I'm slave, I'm slave. Drugs.
I can hear some Playboy Cardi in there, dog. There's some Playboy Cardi. Playboy Cardi. Oh, yeah. Playboy Cardi. Oh, yeah. Drugs. yaseEbhayi.
That time you test on my judge. Changing the test I shine. It's shine, so love how you buy. I found my toy off your buy. My daughter, she halal. So cool on the case, ya bani. Funny chat, I'm more money. Lang on my daughter, judge. Stay for the slack. Give her the cash. Stay for the slack. Murder my business. Give her the dish. Give her the shit.
I feel like this is a perfect intro for my boy. If you don't know who Genchy is, I'm sure this is like the perfect intro to him, because it's a small snippet, like 1 minute 51 seconds, where he just displays what he can do. Voice projection, how the different sound, how he rides on a beat. So in that 1 minute 51 seconds, he showed you a lot in just that. If that doesn't make you want to go search who this Genchy is, I don't know what will, brother. I don't know what will. That was Genchy with yaseEbhayi. See you in the next video.